On February 4, 2025 at 11:17 p.m., Kern County Sheriff's Office deputies assigned to the Air Support Unit responded to a report of a stolen vehicle near East California Avenue and Chamberlain Avenue in East Bakersfield. A deputy assigned to Metro Patrol responded to the area of Edison Highway and Sterling Road and initiated a traffic stop on the stolen vehicle. The driver, later identified as Raul Candido, age 24, fled and a pursuit was initiated. The following is aerial footage obtained from the Kern County Sheriff's Office Air Support Unit. The red arrow indicates the suspect vehicle. The yellow arrow indicates the Kern County Sheriff's Office patrol vehicle.
Continuing eastbound past Sterling. Speeds approximately 55 miles per hour. We're going to have no traffic, no pedestrians.
Units, go ahead and move over so I can pass you on the left.
And we'll continue passing Fairfax, speeds approximately 70 miles per hour. We're going to have no traffic, no pedestrians. And we're still heading in a southeast direction through the field. We're going to be coming out to East Brundage Lane. And we're going to be continuing across Brundage, southbound in the field just east of the trailer park. We can get units for the 58 as well.
Air 174.
It looks like he's trying to work his way back out to the 58. And affirm we're going to be westbound to 58.
Copy now, westbound 58.
After driving through a field and damaging a fence, Candido fled west on Highway 58. Upon exiting on Fairfax Road, Candido drove through a fence of a local business on the 6400 block of East Brundage Lane, damaging the perimeter of the parking embankment and disabling the stolen vehicle. Candido and the passenger, later identified as Stephen Romo, age 27, fled on foot. At 11:24 p.m., an officer-involved shooting occurred. Aerial footage captured by air support shows the suspect exiting Highway 58 and the collision that disabled the stolen vehicle.
Copy,
We're going to be taking the Fairfax off-ramp. And it looks like we're going to have 2 footbells are running northbound on Fairfax.
This is an enlarged photograph of Candido just prior to the officer-involved shooting. The contrast of the photograph was adjusted to get a clearer view of Candido.
Go, 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 go. Hey, get up, get up! Get the fuck on the ground! Go, 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 go. Hey, get up, get up!
The suspects were apprehended and arrested on scene. The driver, Raul Candido, age 24, was charged with reckless evading, evading in the opposite direction of traffic, motor vehicle theft, possession of a controlled substance, possession of burglary tools, and out-of-county warrants. The passenger, Stephen Romo, age 27, was charged with reckless evading, evading in the opposite direction of traffic, possession of a controlled substance with priors, possession of controlled substance paraphernalia, and out-of-county warrants. Here is a closer look at the weapon found in Candido's possession.